Hello guys, welcome again on my YouTube channel. You can see on my previously videos that we have built a lot of inventory of the nail designs on our channel. You can see the videos and you can use those nails for your birthday, wedding, for any occasions. And you will get the best nail ideas on this channel. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel for more and latest nail designs. And the one more thing that is very important to announce today that we are going to work on the AI made journey so that we can create some good nail ideas for you to by the generated by the artificial intelligence. So stay tuned with us for the best nail ideas because those nail designs can never be seen by someone else. You can use those designs for any party because no one has already used those designs. So it will be a great feature for you. You have an first mover advantage to use those nail designs to show off with your friends, with your family members, or someone else that you love with the most. Okay, you can also give them, you can also make those designs because those designs are purely new and those designs has never seen by someone else. So I think so. If you guys use those nail designs, then it may be better that you can look very elegant. You can look very beautiful because there are some points that with first interaction with when you meet with someone else, those characterize your whole body because when they look at your fingers, they can see your nails and how they designed. So stay tuned with us, guys. Thank